Hi, we have a situation where on this ideal boiler, the F1 has come up, and we notice there's the pressure has gone down to 0. So hot water, central heating, nothing's working. So we're going to top it up now, bring the pressure up, and it should be about between 1 and 1.5. So there's the green mark there, 1 and 2. So in between is going to be fine. So that's what we're going to do now, and this is how you do it on this particular system. It's got a filling loop. You open this, and some filling loop has 2 closed isolators, one there, one here, one for the inlet and mains water going in, and the other one to the central heating system. So this is, we just watch the gauge go up to, this should disappear as well, the F1. That's the pressure telling us there's low pressure. It's going to go down and go off in a minute. Also, this is going to, the pressure will start rising. The pressure's gone up a bit now. You can see it's nearly 1, and the F1 on here has disappeared as well. So we're going to pressurize it a bit more. So opening this inlet, filling loop, and the pressure's going up. We put to about 1.5, and just a bit slow. It's going to take a couple of minutes. So we put it to about 1.4, and that's it. We're going to stop it now. Stopped. We'll switch the boiler on, and it should work. And just to make sure, I put the tap on, hot water tap. The hot water's come on, and the temperature is going up. That's the blue flame there. If we put the central heating on, turn there, put the central heating on, turn the water off, and that should also come on. Central heating. Great, it's working. Yeah, the pressure's gone up. Ideal Atlantic.